Look at the state of my car. I park it under a tree and look at the state of it. And not only that, come have a look at this. Some mother... It's gone past and hit my indicator on my mirror and cracked it, and there's a piece that's come out. But you know what? They've actually done me a favour. I never really like these anyway. I don't like the contrast, it's too much, so I bought some nice black ones. This is Groove On. Let's get into it. Let's get them changed.
Let's move on, 'cause it's time to move on.
So these are the ones I bought. Look at that, it even comes with a little tool. That'd be handy. So I went for the black ones because as it's a black car, I want to try and keep this a bit more subtle. So these ones are LED, and obviously you peel off this wrapper, but they look pretty good, don't they? It's going to be well stealth. So I can't wait to see how easy it is to get these on. Apparently you just need to pull this cover off and there's some clips underneath. And these ones have the LED connection so that the lights go like the Audis do. Let's see how easy it is to put these on. These only cost me £20. That's about what, $26 US? They're at least double that on eBay. So I haven't done this before, but underneath here this cover's got clips and apparently it's just held on. I'm using this little tool here, try and get into it and see if we can undo it. Oh, I can feel a clip there. Oh, there we are. Clips at the top as well. It's cold today, so the plastic's quite stiff. Oh, there we go. As easy as that. That was easy. It's just these clips along the bottom, and I've got one of these tools here, so you could probably use a credit card, it'll do the same thing. Job done. Looks like all I need to do is undo these 3 screws. I'll keep the fixings and use them again. Put the new one in. That's it. That's easy. That took me less than a minute. Brilliant. So far so good. I also noticed there's a little crack just there, so I'm going to try and glue that as well. But do you know what I'm actually going to do? I'm going to put these indicators on, plug them in and see how they look. I'll put the hazards on and see how they go. Hey, look at that! That's really good! Take the film off. Not bad at all. Right, let's get these on the cover and put them back on the car. So there's some little torque screws in there. This is a handy little set, by the way. It's made by Baco, and I've adapted it over the years, but in here I've pretty much got every single little fitting that I need. It gets me out of trouble, and it's so small and neat I can take it anywhere. But when you drop stuff, there's the old broken indicator. Not much left of that. And actually, if you look at it, the indicator, this is all broken, so I'm not going to use it again. I'll take that off there. If you actually look, the indicator, there's only 3. There's 1, 2, 3 LEDs there. So this part here doesn't really illuminate that much. And that's one of the reasons I want to get rid of this, so I can put the nice black ones on. So I'm just going to give this a little bit of a glue because it's cracked there where some idiot hit me. pretty good fit. Look at that, looking really good. Right, made a schoolboy error. So inside here, these clips here, these don't actually hold the cable. This is where it pushes into the actual mirror housing, so keep those clear. And that's it, easy as that. Have a look at this. And here's the old ones which are on the other side, which I'm just about to do. New, old. What do you think? Apart from all the bird crap. Look at that! That looks brilliant! Can you believe that these were £10 each on Wish? £20 a pair. And it came with the tool as well. I mean, come on, that's got to be the bargain of the day. That's about, what, $12 US. They fitted perfectly. They even came with the right little tool, how to remove the covers. You can't grumble at that. Let's have a look and see how it compares to the other side, so we can see the new and the old. And bearing in mind this is in the daytime, that's looking pretty good. Can you imagine how good they're going to look at night time? I think that is such a good improvement for such little price. Right, let's get the other side done. So I've always said this. Once you've done it once, I guarantee you'll do it in half the time with half the tools. And even though I only use one tool on this occasion, I know which way round to use the tool. There we go. Undo that little clip. And there's the other one. You can see it's actually cracked there as well, so they both needed changing. So I'm pretty happy actually that someone ended up hitting me in that car park, because it gave me an excuse to get the nice black ones. That's how the wiring loom sits, by the way. This here just sits loose. On the back here, these clips, I first thought that's where the cable went, but it doesn't. These remain free, and they go into these two holes here. And there's the old one. Get rid of that. Get the new one. Oh yeah. Brand spanking. That's the other side done. A bit dusty, but let's get it back on the car. Right, let's see how that looks. What do you think? So there you go. What do you think? Pretty simple mod, pretty cheap mod. I think if you've ever got any problems with your indicators or you just want a fresh look, get these. These actually cost around about £60 from a Honda dealer, around about £40 just for aftermarket ones on eBay. I bought these for £20 delivered, came with the tool. You saw how easy it was to change. Give them a go. Listen, appreciate this. I've got another video I've done on how to remove every single LED on this car, and also another video on how you actually remove all the radio and the trim to be able to get to the back of the module. Like that sort of thing, give me a thumbs up, it's much appreciative, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Let's move on.